Good morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So question number 1 of test number 3 that we're going to discuss today is cos 6x is equals to 32 cos cube 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x minus plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So it's just that you have to break down the LHS portion and make sure that all the LHS terms are in form of cos. Okay, so cos 6x can be written as cos square 2 cos square 3x minus 1, and then cos 3x will be written as 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square, and then breaking down the whole square, it's far easy to get the answer. Okay, that's it. This numerical is very easy one. So moving on to question number 2. Out here AP has been given to you as 1 by q, and they have already told that P8 term is equal to 1 by q, and so your equation can be formed as such. Equation 1, similarly from 1 and 2 we can solve it because both are equal to 1, right? So equation on 1 and 2 we can get this thing, a is equals to d, and once a is equals to d we get d is equals to, when you put a equals to d in equation 1 or in 2, you will get d is equals to 1 by pq. Okay, and the sum, you know, it's d by 2, n by 2 is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and n they have asked you that you have to calculate pq at term sum. So fine, you calculate it. N is equals to p plus p into q, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You put the value of a and d and you'll get the answer as half of pq plus 1. Okay, moving on to the third one. Equation of a line has been given to you as this one, and the slope comes out to be 1 by 7, and we know that when a line is perpendicular the slope gets negative of reciprocal, which is 1 by 7's negative reciprocal is minus 7. So the line also passes through x-intercept, that is 3, so you know the point is 3 comma 0. So we can easily find the equation of a line, which is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Once you put in this equation, your equation comes out to be 7x plus y minus 21 equals to 0. Okay, now moving on to fourth one. You should know that x square x whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r r square is the equation of a circle, and they have already told that 2 points are passing through the circle and the center lies on a line which has been given to you. So once you put 4 and k instead of x and y, you will get equation 1 and 2, and since both are equals to r square, you get one equation as 4h minus 8 plus 8k is equals to 44 as equation 3. And then they have also told you that 4x plus y is equals to 16 is the place where the center lies. It's the line where the center lies. So once you put h and k out there, we get equation 4, and solving equation 3 and 4, we get the center as 3 comma 4 and r square as 10. Okay, so once you put, you will get the equation as x square plus y square minus 6x y plus 15 is equals to 0 as the equation of a circle. So that's it for this test. I hope you understood all of it, and make sure you start copying all of this down. If you find any mistake, and compare it with yourself, your own mistakes. Okay, that will be far helpful to people. And in case you people have doubts in this, you can definitely come up and ask me. I'll be definitely there to help you. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.